Yes, bank. Corn. This is old corn. Oh, this is not new corn. This is old corn and it's from 30 to 33 pentas. 30 to 33 pentas. It's not 26 pentas. It's not 27. It's not 25. This is 30 to 33. As you can see, this bag is very big. Very, very big bag. The this thing, the size of the is big. 47,000. 30 to 33 pentas. Old corn. Very old corn. Oge's Food Bank. Patronize us. So call us or WhatsApp us 006025589. Let's supply better Mangu local government corn. One of the best corn you can get in Nigeria. Go and ask anybody. Mangu local government in Plateau State. They are the one of the local government that produce the best corn in Nigeria. In Plateau State. Thank you.